Hey guys, so a while ago we had a parcel arrive from OxRock's with some grease and grease adapter and grease gun. We've actually been using the manual grease gun a heck of a lot. Haven't got round to putting the adapter in an M18 gun, but I've scanned the QR code on the back and watched the instructional video. So let's give it a go, because we all know how much of a cunt these things can be. So we get rid of that, that's the whole idea of it. Open this up, get this adapter out, 24mm socket, that's going to go down into the back of there. I did actually give this gun a little bit of a clean beforehand. Screw it in all the way, it's nice and tight. Then on the instructions it said, you open your tube of grease, give a little push in the back and it'll squirt grease out there. Get that so it's like that. Then we go in here and screw it in. Then it just said press the back in and then we pump this bleed lever so that the grease can actually fill the compartment. That looks pretty good. That's the grease there, you can see it. Grab a battery. Excuse the mess, just the weekend doing a bit of cleanup. There we go. Pumping, so that can now get put in the box of Milwaukee parts. Cheers, OxRocks.